The Glowforge is a user-friendly laser cutter and engraver with a maximum print area of 11 by 19.5 inches. It can accommodate materials that are a maximum of 2 inches tall when removing the print bed. The Glowforge runs via Wi-Fi on a browser app at app.glowforge.com. With help from the C4C staff, we can log you into the Glowforge on the iMacs in the workshop. There are 2 ways to utilize the Glowforge to create your project, and in this video we will give a brief overview of each method. The first method to print an image is to upload your design from a file. For best results, make sure your image is in black and white, increase the contrast, and increase the sharpness. Save this file as a JPEG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. For cutting materials to a shape outline, an SVG file is required. Upload it to the app from the Glowforge dashboard. Make sure your Glowforge is on, the material is placed in the print bed, and the lid is closed for your Glowforge to calibrate. If using Glowforge certified materials with a visible QR code, settings will be automatically chosen for you. The automatic setting is for a proof grade graphic. If using uncertified materials, you can ask a C4C assistant for help in setting up the materials. Make sure that any outlines for cutting are set as cut, and all engraved materials are set to engrave. If you haven't uploaded a file that can be cut, you can use the shape tool with pre-made shapes to cut out your piece. Once everything is in place, click Print on the Glowforge app. Make sure the Glowforge vent is on, and then hit the Print button on the Glowforge. After your print is complete, wait until the app says your print is cooled down. Then you can turn off the fan and open the lid to retrieve your finished piece. One of the reasons that Glowforge is beginner-friendly is that you can scan a drawn image into Glowforge for your design. Similar to a computer-generated design, black and white, high contrast, and sharp lines will yield the best results. You can use a pre-cut shape on the app for an outline, or you can draw an outline at least 1/8 of an inch from your design to cut it out when uploading. To upload, place your image on the print bed and shut the lid. Then hit the Trace button from the Glowforge dashboard. Drag a square around the outline of the image. After you're finished on this screen, click Place Artwork. Remove your drawing from the print bed and now follow the same process as before. Place your material, check the settings, do any resizing, and add outline shapes if you need to. Once everything is in place, click Print on the Glowforge app. Make sure the Glowforge vent is on and then hit the Print button on the Glowforge. After your print is complete, wait until the app says that your print is cooled down. Then you can turn off the fan and open the lid to retrieve your finished piece. If you'd like some more in-depth resources on using the Glowforge, you can check out glowforge.com.